Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel. Tonight we got another review for you. Tonight I'm going to be going over not a non-bearded product. Yes, can you believe it? A non-bearded product. What can I say, guys? I'm trying my best to review a little bit of everything these days. Hope you guys are enjoying it. Stay tuned and we'll get right into it. Welcome back, guys. Thanks for coming back to the channel. As always, thank you for all the support, all the love you show me here on Instagram and YouTube, or here on YouTube and over on Instagram, rather. You guys are awesome. I love the support, the whole beard community as well. It's one big family, and it's a great family. I just wish everybody would get along. I know you're gonna have your problems, but come on, guys. We're freaking adults. Jeez. Anyway. Thanks for coming back to the channel, guys. Tonight we're going to go over a company called FlipFlops. And it's a really awesome company. They help out a lot of charities. I'm going to read off here a couple here in a few minutes. But what they make flip-flops, they make boot shoes, they got apparel, they got accessories, they got a little bit of everything. And their slogan is "Be a better human." Hashtag "Be a better human." And I went over their website. I've seen everything they make, the charities they help. It's just a really awesome website, and it's really awesome what they do. I'm gonna read a little bit about them. While I'm doing that, I'm gonna have like a little slideshow of stuff that they offer, as well as charities they help. I mean, it's not going to be a 5-minute reading session, guys, I promise. But I want to kind of give you an idea of what these guys are all about. Sit back, relax while I read this, and enjoy a couple slides. Our calling. Working at Combat Flip-Flops isn't a typical job. There's no corner office, no water cooler, no break room. It's more of a calling, a duty, a feeling in your soul that drives you to want to do something good, something you actually care about, like stopping the cycle of violence and human suffering around the world. We harness that compassion to create a new path forward, a way to create jobs, fund women's education, and improve people's lives. And this is just a few of their charities they work with. When we educate a woman, we educate a family. Unless we educate the Afghan population, there will be no peace. And the name is Hasina Sherjan, AAE Executive Director. AAE provides education to marginalized Afghan women and girls over the age of 10 who are denied access to a formal education. Currently serving 3,000 girls and 104 boys, AAE is guided by the indomitable spirit of Afghan women and children who, despite over 30 years of war and violence, are determined to build a bright and prosperous future for themselves and their families. MAG, Mines Advisory Group, is an international organization that saves lives and builds futures by removing and destroying landmines and other weapons left in war-torn countries. Since 1989, MAG has worked in over 35 countries and was co-laureate of the Nobel Peace Prize in 1997. TSF, the Station Foundation, is a non-government agency providing resources to help all members and families of the special operations community attain the same elite performance in their personal lives that they enjoy in uniform. TSF offers a place where special operators and their families can stop, identify their values, and stay on track. Participants return home committed to lives of clarity, purpose, and direction, developing the resiliency and confidence they need to thrive in adversity. Apologize about that, guys. I hope you heard all that. It was clear for you. And what they have sent out me is a pair of boots. And they kind of remind me of the old Converse shoe, which I wore a few times. I like the fact the Converse shoe, they were really comfortable. They really hugged your ankles as far as support. But when you get that product, it comes in a box like this. And on the side of the box, it says that. Nothing on the bottom or the back. And when you open it, like any other pair of shoes, you're greeted like that. And I've worn these a few times already. They're not filthy dirty. Let me get them out real quick. Set the box down because I know that paper is really, really loud for you guys. And what they've sent me, like I said, is a pair of boots that kind of look like the Converse. And they're really nice. These are called, let me look off my cheat sheet real quick, men's MK19 black high top. And as you can see, they're really awesome shoes. And just to read off what they're made of: men boots, sizes 7 through 15, half sizes go down in size, proprietary rubber outside, and in parentheses it says sticky AF, in which the bottoms of these are super, super sticky. Proprietary EVA mid layers, canvas upper, nylon laces, 8 eyelets, Condura laced security, funds 1 day of school for an Afghan girl, combat flip-flop lifetime warranty, made in Bogota, Colombia. So when you buy one of these, that's how they're made and what the money goes to, pretty much. And as you can see, they are pretty much like a Converse shoe. It's got their logo right there. And just, overall, they're really thin. They're really comfortable shoes. If you ever had a Converse on your foot, then that's exactly what they are. Maybe these are a little bit thicker than Converse, but the material is really nice. And like the post says, it's really sticky. As you can see, I'm actually moving the whole shoe. Put the bottoms of the soles together. They're really, really sticky. But on the bottoms of them, UAF. Just an overall great shoe. I mean, they're comfortable. What more can you ask for? I'm going to do a follow-up video, I think, after I've worn them for a couple of months maybe, and come back to you guys and show you the condition they're in, if they've lasted, if they're worn down, if they stood the test of time, whatever I put them through. Granted, it is November, and it is the wet month. I probably won't wear them as much. But on the nice days that I can wear them, when it's not all snowy out or whatnot, I'm going to wear them. So I'll leave all their links in the description box below, guys, as well as some of the charities that I named off. I want to send a special thank you to the people over at Combat FlipFlops for sending these out. I really appreciate it. If you're in the market for a new pair of shoes, guys, check these guys out. Really nice products. They're flip-flops. You think these shoes are nice? You should see their flip-flops. They're like, I've never seen flip-flops like this. They're like the rugged outdoor flip-flop. Like, you can go on the trails with these suckers. I mean, I'm not even joking. But thank you guys for sticking around for the video. If you're still here and you like the video, hit that thumbs up. Thanks for all the support, guys. I really appreciate it. Till the next review, peace.